Most drivers get this completely wrong when chasing top dasher status, and it often leads to more stress, not more money. Here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, being a top dasher is not automatically a profit boost, especially on DoorDash. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is thinking top dasher means better orders. It doesn't always work that way. In this video, you'll learn what top dasher actually gives you in 2026, what it doesn't, and whether it is really worth chasing based on real driver outcomes. Let's start with what top dasher actually is. Top dasher is a status that allows drivers to dash anytime, even when the app is busy. It also helps you stay active without scheduling in advance. Now here's where it gets interesting. That flexibility sounds great, especially if you want freedom. But freedom does not always equal higher earnings. To qualify, drivers usually need high acceptance rates, completion rates, and customer ratings. And this is where most people fail. They accept too many low-paying orders just to maintain status. Now let's talk about earnings impact. A driver, like Alex in a busy city, might think top dasher helps him get more orders. But in reality, he may end up taking lower-paying deliveries just to maintain acceptance rate, which can reduce overall hourly income. On the other hand, a driver like Jake, who ignores top dasher requirements and cherry-picks only high-paying orders, may actually earn more per hour, even if he cannot dash instantly anytime. So what does top dasher actually help with? It helps most during peak competition times. For example, at lunch or dinner rush, when schedules are full, top dashers can still log in and work. That can be useful in oversaturated markets. But here's the problem. Outside peak hours, order quality does not improve just because you are top dasher. The algorithm still prioritizes distance, tips, and customer demand. Now let's break down the real decision. If you depend on DoorDash as your primary income and need full-time flexibility, top dasher can help you stay active anytime. But if your goal is maximum hourly earnings, focusing on selective orders often performs better than chasing status. Another key point is burnout. Many drivers chasing top dasher feel pressured to accept low-paying orders. Over time, that can lead to frustration and lower motivation. So is it worth it in 2026? Top dasher is useful for flexibility, not for guaranteed higher income. It is a convenience feature, not a profit strategy. The smartest drivers treat it like an option, not a goal. They focus on high-paying orders first and only consider top dasher if it fits their market conditions. To sum it up, top dasher gives access, not advantage. Earnings still depend on your strategy, timing, and order selection. If this helped you understand the real picture, like the video, comment your experience with top dasher, and subscribe for more real-world delivery app insights that help you earn smarter, not harder.